Hello friends, today I am going to talk about the systolic murmurs. So let us begin. So I am assuming that you know the basic cardiology. So we have got four types of systolic murmurs: aortic stenosis, mitral regurgitation, pulmonary stenosis, and the tricuspid regurgitation. Okay. So we have got three types of systolic murmurs. First is the ejection systolic murmur, then pan systolic murmur, and the mid systolic click, followed by the late systolic murmur. Okay. So in the ejection systolic murmur, we have got three types of murmurs. That is the pulmonary stenosis, which can be seen in the carcinoid syndrome, and the pneumonia to remove the valvular defects in the carcinoid syndrome are the tips, where TI stand for the tricuspid insufficiency and the pulmonary stenosis. This tricuspid insufficiency is more common in the case of carcinoid syndrome. Okay. Then nodal syndrome. Nodal syndrome is basically a variant of the Turner syndrome, but person who has nodal syndrome, he does not exhibit the genotype 45XO as in Turner syndrome. Okay. And aortic stenosis is a classic one, which produces a crescendo decrescendo type of murmur, and hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy can also cause the ejection systolic murmur. Okay. Now coming to the pan systolic murmur. So we have got three types of murmurs: VSD, that is the ventricular septal defect, mitral regurgitation, and the tricuspid regurgitation. Okay. Now mid systolic click, followed by late systolic murmur. This is the classic example of a mitral valve prolapse or Barlow syndrome, or we can also say the floppy valve syndrome. Okay. And this murmur can be caused by the myxomatous degeneration of the mitral valve. Okay.